Hello friends, welcome to Zero to Maker. Today's session is about types of sensors. So we are learning today about sensors, types of sensors, detection in environment and surrounding, pinouts and its connections. So these types of sensors are available: distance, measure, motions, colors, pulse, temperature, humidity, flow, fingerprint, moisture, touch, sound, pH, pressure, RFID, light, gyro, accelerometer, rain, tilt, gas, joystick, flame, IR, voltage, dust, ECG, flags, weight, IR, camera, potential, muscles. So let's start it with temperature sensors. It is 3-pin sensors. Here VCC, ground and analog out pins, 3 pins are available. We can measure minus 55 degrees Celsius to plus 150 degrees Celsius with these sensors. This sensor's model number is LM35. This sensors is used through Arduino IDE. DHT11 humidity sensor. It has another model is DHT22. It is depends on moisture in air and it shows us a temperature. So here 3 pins are available: VCC, ground and data. Some sensors have 4 pin also, but the fourth pin is non-usable pin. Now IR sensor. So IR means infrared detection. So it has been used to detect the shade of object under certain condition. So there are two LEDs, TX and RX. So IR which is emitted, which is receiving from IR receiver, then the circuit has been closed. These rays radiation emitted by it's an invisible to the human eyes. LDR. LDR is light dependent sensors. It is control variable resistor which works on the principle of photoconductivity. Sound detection sensors. As per the name says, sounds detection with this sensor. Here microphone is available and 3 pins are available: VCC, ground and output pin, and we can set the set point using potentiometer which is available. LM393 amplifier IC is also used here in the sensors. PIR sensors, passive infrared sensors, is an electronic sensor that detects infrared light reduction from object it fields view. They often use PIR based motion detection. Here 3 pins are available: VCC, ground and pin out. 2 potentiometer is also there to control its radiation and adjustments. Ultrasonic sensors works in a way like bat do using ecological and ultrasonic transmit receive sensors is used measuring distance on based on trigger and echo. Here 4 pins are available: VCC, ground, echo and trigger. Echo sended and trigger trig the frequency greater than 20 kilohertz, while the other is receiving which detects sound pulse, creates the electrical signal to estimate the distance. Rainwater sensors is switch device that make use of rainfall for activating purpose. The principle of working the rainwater is whenever is detected, the automatically switch has been closed. Color sensors has the ability to detect the color of the material. Usually detection of the color take place in RGB scales. The RGB refers to system of represent of color which are used in computer display. Individual color filter are evenly distributed throughout the sensor array, so the emitted are kind of location specific ways of color matching. And many other sensors like capacitive touch sensor, flow rate sensor, soil moisture sensor, fingerprint sensor, gas sensor, tilt sensor, pulse rate sensor, accelerometer, atmospheric pressure sensor, force pressure sensor, pH sensor, RFID sensor, dust sensor, ECG modules, joystick module, flex sensor, weight sensor, IR remote, camera module, muscle sensor, potentiometer. Thank you. If you have any query, you can ask on us helpline number which is shown in a presentation. Thank you.